The process of changing food into energy occurs through a series of complex biochemical reactions in the body, primarily involving the digestive and metabolic systems. The main steps involved in this process are as follows. Ingestion. The process begins with the consumption of food. Food enters the body through the mouth, where it is broken down into smaller pieces through chewing and mixed with saliva to form a bolus. Digestion. Once the food is swallowed, it moves down the esophagus and enters the stomach. After the food reaches the stomach, it undergoes further breakdown through the action of stomach acid and digestive enzymes. The stomach lining secretes hydrochloric acid and various enzymes like pepsin, which begin the process of breaking down proteins into smaller peptides. The acidic environment in the stomach also helps to kill harmful bacteria present in the ingested food. As the partially digested food, now known as chyme, moves through the small intestine, the pancreas and the liver play crucial roles in digestion. The pancreas secretes pancreatic enzymes, including amylase, lipase, and proteases, which help break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, respectively. The liver produces bile, a greenish-yellow fluid that is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine when needed. Bile plays a significant role in the digestion and absorption of fats by emulsifying them into tiny droplets, increasing their surface area and making it easier for enzymes to break them down. The lining of the small intestine contains specialized cells that produce intestinal enzymes, which further break down the chyme into smaller nutrient molecules. Carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugars, glucose, fructose, and galactose. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, and fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Absorption. The inner surface of the small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi and even smaller microvilli. These structures greatly increase the surface area available for nutrient absorption. Nutrients, in their broken-down forms, pass through the walls of the small intestine and enter the bloodstream or the lymphatic system, depending on their chemical properties. Simple sugars and amino acids are water-soluble and are absorbed directly into the bloodstream. From there, they are transported to the liver, which acts as a central processing center, regulating the distribution of nutrients to the rest of the body. Fats, being insoluble in water, are absorbed differently. They are first converted back into larger fat molecules and then packaged into structures called chylomicrons, which are released into the lymphatic system. These chylomicrons eventually reach the bloodstream at specific points and are then transported throughout the body to provide energy and support various cellular processes. In addition to carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, the small intestine also absorbs vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients required for proper body functioning. Overall, the process of digestion and absorption is a remarkably intricate and well-coordinated series of events that ensures the breakdown of complex food molecules into simpler forms that the body can efficiently utilize for energy production, growth, and maintenance. It is essential for providing the body with the necessary nutrients and energy to sustain life and support various physiological processes. Transport. The absorbed nutrients are transported via the bloodstream to various organs and tissues throughout the body, providing them with the necessary building blocks for energy production and other vital functions. Cellular respiration. Inside the cells, particularly in the mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, nutrients like glucose, from carbohydrates, and fatty acids, from fats, undergo a series of chemical reactions in the presence of oxygen to produce adenosine triphosphate, ATP. ATP is the primary form of energy used by cells for various processes, including muscle contractions, nerve impulses, and synthesis of molecules. The overall process by which the body converts food into energy is known as metabolism. It involves anabolic processes, building up molecules, and catabolic processes, breaking down molecules. The energy obtained from food is utilized for various bodily functions, including maintaining body temperature, supporting physical activity, and facilitating essential processes like breathing and circulation. Any excess energy that is not immediately needed is stored in the body as fat for future use. Thank you for watching. We hope that we have expanded your knowledge somewhat. It would be awesome if you would join us, comment, like and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.